Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. I have an exciting room tour for you today because it is off Disney property. We are staying at the Marriott Springhill Suites at Flamingo Crossings. There is also a Marriott Town Place Suites at Flamingo Crossings that is just attached to this building, but it is just near the entrance to Disney property. I'm going to give you a room tour and also a resort tour at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But I'm going to start by showing you the room. We have a standard 2-queen bed room with a effectively theme park firework view that they upgraded us to. So I'm going to show you the inside. We are room 1412. Let's go in. Okay, so you're going to see immediately when we walk in that we have obviously decorated for Christmas because we are here over Christmas. We got in on December 21st. Today's December 21st, and we will be here through Christmas holiday. So we have gotten ourselves a little treat at Target. The Springhill and the Town Place at Flamingo Crossings are really great because across the street there is a miniature Target, so there's a lot of stuff that you might need when you get there or when you get here. But when we come in, there's just light switches here, and the thermostat is just on the wall that you can control there, and you have a little living space area. So I really like this. Most Springhill Suites have this kind of setup, and this is definitely one of them. But you have a pull-out couch here, so a full-size couch that pulls out, and then you have these two tables that can pull apart from each other as well, so you can kind of move them about as you see fit. The stockings, of course, don't come with the room. Those are ours that we brought. But you also have a desk space, which is really handy and kind of is used to separate the living room space from the bedroom. You've got a bin, and then just on the desk, you've got a little Cuisinart coffee maker. The face mask and the belt don't come with the room, but you have a USB port. You have 2 outlets and a phone, and it looks like there's like a little, not an Alexa, but like a little speaker system there that you can connect your music to. And then you also have just up here, you've got the main gate transportation information, which I'll discuss later. And you've also got the bar downstairs, Flamingos, that's between the 2 hotels. You've got the menu there if you want to place an order. Now turning around, you'll see we have the Christmas fireplace on, of course, but around the corner, you might have seen this when we walked in, but you do have a little kitchenette. It is smaller in what it offers than DVC Studios, for example, but you get a little mini fridge. So we've got some drinks in here at the moment, a big jug of water and some leftovers, and then you have a microwave as well if you want to microwave things. There's no toaster, and there's no sink or dishes here for you, but there is plenty of counter space, as you can see, to store snacks and the like. So now moving into the bedroom, you have the TV that you can kind of turn, so you can turn this to face the beds if you wanted to do that, and you have 2 drawers that are pretty good depth there for storage purposes. And then as you can see, we have 2 queen beds here, and we have brought the lights ourselves, so again, that does not come with the place. But next to one of the queen beds, we have a light switch. So the light switch is for this overhead light here, and you've got a little bedside table as well. More of a table than a bedside table, actually, but it does the trick. And it looks like, yep, just down in the bottom, you also have 2 outlets there that you can use to charge any of your goodies. And you also have a reading lamp for the bed that can be kind of manipulated there. Then you have another queen size bed, and in the middle of them you do have like a nightstand bedside table kind of thing. There's no drawers here, it's just open, but you have your Bible, and then you've got your room phone. You've got another lamp, so the lamp and 2 outlets is part of that, and then you've got this little alarm clock system here. Moving on to the second queen bed just around the corner, you can see the air conditioning unit here, and you can see there's 2 more outlets for charging purposes and a switch for the overhead lights. Again, you have another reading light on the side of this table as well, and then just in the corner you have a lamp. So So if you kind of turn, we do have a, I mean, you can't see the theme parks at all, but apparently at night you can see the fireworks from them from our view. So apparently that was an upgrade that we got when we checked in, but I have yet to see them. So there's a big hello full-length mirror here. I did just land from a 10-hour flight, so excuse the state of me, but there is a big full-length mirror here, which I really appreciate because not enough resorts have those. And then you also have this closet here, and when I open it, when I say it is huge, this thing is absolutely massive. So it is a like full-size home closet. You've got your iron, you've got your ironing board. I'll just turn the light on in here for you. And then you've got several shelves as well as a luggage rack. And you can see we've got like large suitcases in here and smaller suitcases as well, but it fits really, really plenty of space, as well as some coat hangers for everything. So that is a great space. I'm really pleased with that. Maybe not pleased so much with the squeaking. And then lastly, we have our bathroom unit. So this is a sliding door here. One of the complaints that we've had so far is that it is actually kind of see-through. So you can't see through the door fully, but you can see shapes and movement behind the door because of the way the light works. But it is a really nice open bathroom. My only complaint is that the toilet is not separated from the sink and shower area, because I do prefer when that's the case, so that someone can go to the bathroom while someone else is showering. But you have a toilet, you've got your toilet roll and your bin, and then you've just got a rack for some towels, and then both of your light switches here. Moving into the counter unit, you have several shelves down here for storage, as well as some tissues and an extra toilet roll. And then you've just got like a lot of open counter space here, and then really, hello, big bright lights in the mirror. And by the mirror, you've got 2 outlets for charging. You've just got the one sink. It's not a Jack and Jill, but the counter space kind of makes up for that. And then you also have an ice bowl here, and there are ice machines on every floor. And then turning around, you don't have a bath. We've just got a stand-up shower here. I have not used it yet. I'll be using it shortly, but the complaint I've heard so far is that it is quite slippery in there, so we'll have to be careful about that. So that is the extent of our room tour so far. I'm going to take you guys down to the lobby at some point, and I'm going to show you the lobby, I'm going to show you the restaurant, and kind of show you the area as well. Like I said, we are about 5 minutes from Animal Kingdom and 15 minutes max from anywhere else on Disney property, so we're really close. We're also really, really close to CP housing, so if you are in the college program or if you're visiting someone that's doing the college program, the Flamingo housing complex is literally right across the street. It's walking distance, so if you're checking into your college program, this is a great place to stay. But I'm just going to take you now and I'm going to show you the rest of the resort. Let's go. All right, so in addition to the room tour that you just saw, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a resort tour. So this is the Springhill Suites by Marriott, and just across from this building, you can kind of see the roof there, is the town place. So they're literally right next to each other. The parking lot goes all the way around the building, so there are plenty of parking spaces, even though usually when you get back at night, it does not look like that is the case. So we're just gonna walk in, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the lobby. So there is a sign on the doors asking unvaccinated guests and customers to wear masks. Fully vaccinated customers and guests are mask optional. And as you can see, the whole lobby is decorated for Christmas. So you check in just over there, and I'll just give you a quick tour. There's Ken. We were at the pool before. So the Springhill Suites by Marriott and the Town Place are both like Walt Disney World partners. So they can sell you tickets here, and they can help you buy your Genie Plus. They have a vacation planning desk that I'll just show you. If we come over here, there are 2 computer desks with printers. So if you need to print flight information or any type of tickets or barcodes or anything like that, you can go ahead and do that. There's also some chairs here, and as you'll notice at the bottom, both of them have outlets if you need to charge anything. There's also tables and chairs in here that you can have a seat at if you're hanging out in the lobby for any reason. There's TVs as well. They usually play the news in the morning at breakfast. And this is the breakfast area here. I'll show you where the buffet is, but they do a free buffet breakfast. So currently the breakfast goes until 9:30 a.m. I wish it was a bit longer, to be honest. But at least it's something. There's a mini lobby Starbucks here. So I'm not sure what the opening hours are. I'll just find out for you and pop them in below. But it is open in the morning during the, oh there it is, open daily from 7 until noon. So there's usually someone in there doing coffee, and then the breakfast buffet also has coffee as well. So this area here is the breakfast buffet, and the hours are Monday to Friday from 6:30 to 9:30, and then Saturday and Sunday from 7 a.m. to 9:30. It does get a little bit crowded in the morning, I will say, but there is a lot of space here and space for large parties as well. You also have an outdoor sitting area that you can enjoy your breakfast at. So there's several tables and chairs here and off in the patio as well. There are bathrooms in the lobby, so if you just turn to the right here, you'll come across the bathrooms. And then there's a little special events area just at the end of this section here. So if you have meetings or sales events, you can do that here. So I'm just gonna take you back to the check-in desk past the Starbucks and show you what they have in the convenience area. So we'll just turn here and you'll see that there are lifts up to all the floors with rooms on them, and they are themed like Disney. This one here actually, when you go in, is themed like the Galaxy's Edge. I can't think of the ride now, but I'll just put the name in below. They do have a little convenience store section. So in the convenience store, you've got some drinks. They do have alcoholic beverages as well. They have sodas, waters, juices, and even a Starbucks cold brew. You also have microwave meals here because all the rooms do have microwaves in them, as I showed you in the room tour. And then just a bunch of snacks. So there's ramen, ravioli, different things that you can microwave again or put hot water in, and then sweets and crisps as well. And then there's also some toiletry type things. So they have little swimmers here, they have sunscreen, they have dryer sheets and washing up liquid. And then there is some line up here that you have to ask for at the desk. And then again, there's more toiletry things. So there's a couple medications, they have Tums, they have Pepto and Claritin, and then deodorant, razor, stuff for the shower, eye drops, etc. So just take you outside now. So walking outside, you have the pool area. There's music on, so it's gonna be a bit loud. But this is Flamingo's Bar and Grill. There's quite a large menu for that I'll just include here so that you can see it. And there's tons of seating, couch seating. They do have an indoor section that you can see if you watch the vlog where we stopped for dinner. And then this is the pool area here. There's loads of seating. You can pick up your towels. You can take as many as you want. There's no card access to the towel return, so you can take as many as you want here. So over here there are some cabana areas. They're first come first serve. There's no signs up for renting, so they've got couches, and they've got some on the other side as well that you can enjoy. As you can see, they also have a ping pong table, and there is cornhole out here as well that you can play with your family and friends while you're here. Then I'll just take you around to where my family is sitting and show you the gym, which is, there's Ken's. This is the gym all the way back here, and there's a hot tub in the back corner just over there, but there's people in it, so I'm not gonna take you over there. As you can see, there's some picnic tables that you can sit out on. And I'll just show you the inside of the gym. There's bathrooms on this side, and there's also bathrooms back by the bar. So you do have to scan in. There we go. And it is a good sized gym in here. Looks like there are 5 treadmills, and it's nice because they face the pool. You've got lots of different weights machines to work with. There's also free weights and dumbbells in the back. You've got 3 different ellipticals. There were people in here this morning. I haven't really seen anyone here more recently. There's a bike and there's a rowing machine and an area, hello, for free weights over here with the benches. I told myself I would work out in here, but I've not been in yet. And there's also some aerobic balls in the corner there. So I'll just go out this way and show you the last part. There are more picnic tables on this side and more poolside chairs, and there's also grills if you want to cook. The Town Place Suites have kitchenettes, the Springhill Suites don't, but if you wanted to cook down at the grill, you could do so and eat here. Alright, I just wanted to add that this is our building, and right across from our building is a whole new complex that's going up. So there's going to be a Five Guys, a Target, a Starbucks. None of those are open yet. Of course, it's really hard to see with the lighting, but there is a functional Walgreens at this point, and there's a Domino's and a McDonald's down the street. So if you're interested in staying in the area, there are food options. There's also a Firehouse Subs just across the intersection there. And a lot more things coming up. This used to be like farmland, and they've completely developed it over the last 5 years since I did my program. So there's going to be a lot of options here if you decide to stay in the area, and I'll just show you about how far it is to Walt Disney property. Just like that, we are on Disney property. So that is all of the information you need to know about the Flamingo Crossings Marriott Springhill Suites. I hope you enjoyed the room tour and the resort tour. If you get to stay here, it's been a really great hotel. We have next to no complaints so far. It's been perfect for what we've needed it for, and we are really enjoying our stay. So if you get a chance to stay here, or if you've stayed here before, comment in the comments below. Let me know if you're coming, if you've stayed, what you thought of it. And if not, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I will see you real soon. Bye!